Hi students, today we are going to see about Unit 3. The unit name is Application of PDE. In this unit, the first topic is classification of PDE, that is partial differential equation. Here, second order partial differential equation. Instead of this partial differential equation, I have written PDE. Okay, the general format of this second order PDE is A dou square u by dou x square plus B dou square u by dou x dou y plus C dou square u by dou y square plus the constant, or you can consider this as f of x comma y comma u comma dou u by dou x comma dou u by dou y is equal to 0. Here we have written, instead of total differentiation, we have written partial differential equation because we are having more than one independent variable. The variable in the numerator is dependent variable. The variable in the denominator is independent variable. Okay, if you have more than one independent variable, we have to use this partial differential equation, that is a dou. The coefficient of this x square, that is dou square u by dou x square, we have to consider as a value, and the coefficient of dou square u by dou x dou y is b value. The coefficient of c dou square u by dou y square is c value. Okay, after finding out this value, that is a, b and c, we have to substitute in this equation, that is b square minus 4ac. After substituting in this equation, if it is equal to 0, then we have to say it is a parabolic equation. After substituting in this equation, if you get less than 0, then we have to say it is a elliptic equation. If you are substituting in this equation, if you get greater than 0, then we have to say it is a hyperbolic equation. Okay, it is nothing but parabolic equation. It is elliptic equation and it is hyperbolic. Okay, once again I will repeat. The coefficient of u square is nothing but a value. The coefficient of dou x by dou x dou y is b value. The coefficient of y square is c value. After finding the value of a, b and c, you have to substitute in this equation, that is b square minus 4ac. If you get is equal to 0, then it belongs to parabolic equation. If you get less than 0, then it belongs to elliptic equation. If you get greater than 0, then it belongs to hyperbolic equation. Now we will discuss about some problems. The first problem is find the nature of the partial differential equation. I have written PDE instead of partial differential equation. The first problem is 4uxx. This is nothing but uxx is nothing but dou square u by dou. Right. The first problem is 4uxx plus 4uxy plus uyy plus 2ux minus uy is equal to 0. Instead of this, uxx is nothing but dou square u by dou x square. Uxx is nothing but dou square u by dou x square, and uxy is equal to dou square u by dou x dou y. Okay, and uyy is equal to dou square u by dou y square. Right. Now we have to find the value of a, b and c. By comparing the general equation, we can find out the value of a, b and c. That is, the coefficient of x square is nothing but a value. That is, the coefficient of xx, that is, it is nothing but dou square u by dou x square. It is the value of a. A is equal to 4. And it is the coefficient of xy is what value? The coefficient of xy is b value. B value is nothing but 4. And again, and the coefficient of uyy is c value, that is equal to 1. Now we found the value of a, b and c. Now we have to substitute in the values in this equation, that is b square minus 4ac. Now substitute in this equation. Belonging to this the value we can verify it belongs to which equation, either it is parabolic, elliptic or hyperbolic. Now substitute over here. B value. After finding the value of a, b and c, now we have to substitute in this equation, b square minus 4ac. The b value is nothing but 4. 4 square minus 4 of what is a value? 4, and c value is 1. That is 16 minus 4 into 4, 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then we have to say it is a parabolic equation. So the first problem belonging to parabolic equation. Now come to the second problem. The second problem is uxx plus uyy is equal to ux the whole square plus uy the whole square. The coefficient of ux is nothing but a value. So a is equal to 1, and the coefficient of uyy is nothing but what? It is equal to c value. Then what is the value of b? There is no term of u xy, so we have to consider it as 0. So the value of b is 0. Now substitute in this equation, that is b square minus 4ac. What you will get? 0 square minus 4 of 1 into 1. That is minus 4. It is less than equal to 0. Less than 0. Less than 0. So it belongs to elliptic equation. Yeah. Now we will discuss about third problem, that is dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus xy. First we will find out the value of a, b and c. A is nothing but u xx and b is nothing but u xy and c is equal to u yy. The value of a, there is no term of u xx, so we have to consider this as a is equal to 0. A is equal to 0, and the value of the coefficient of u xy is 1, the value of b is 1. There is no term of u yy, so we have to consider c is equal to 0. After finding the value of a, b and c, we have to substitute in this equation, that is b square minus 4ac. What is the value of b? 1 square minus 4 of 0 into 0. So the value of this equation is 1. It is greater than 0. So we have to consider this as hyperbolic equation. Now we will discuss about the fourth problem, that is u xx minus u power 4 u yy is equal to 2y cube into uy. First we will find out the value of a, b and c. The value of a is nothing but ux, the coefficient of uxx, that is equal to 1, and the value of b is equal to uxy. But in this problem there is no term of uxy, so consider this as 0. And what is the value of c? That is uy, the coefficient of uyy. C is equal to minus y to the power 4. In this problem there is no constant, but we have to consider this as c value, that is c is equal to minus y power 4. Now substitute in this equation, that is b square minus 4ac. 0 square minus 4 of 1 into minus y power 4. What you will get? 0 square minus 4 into, it will become power 4. Whatever it is, if it is negative, if it is minus sign also, if you while squaring this one, it will become positive sign. So minus 4 into y power 4. Now substitute the value of y less than 0 and is equal to 0 and greater than 0. Let's check where either we are getting less than 0, is equal to 0 or greater than 0. First substitute instead of y is equal to 0. If you substitute instead of y is equal to 0, the whole term will become 0. So it will become parabolic equation. If you consider y less than 0 or y greater than 0, the term will become positive sign, that is minus 4 into, it will become positive sign only. So the answer is minus 4. It is less than 0, so it belongs to elliptic equation. Yes. Thank you.